morning, you guys. Welcome back to another video. Today I have for you a regular day in the life. I have a couple things going on, but I want to do my makeup really quickly first. I'm going to put my hair up first, just so that it's out of the way. I also need to curl my hair with the Dyson. I have to say, I've been trying some new products lately and really loving them. So I think I'm going to make an actual everyday makeup or get ready with me video soon. Let me just quickly do my makeup and then I'll list everything down below, but I won't be talking throughout it because that will be a long video. Makeup is done. Office is back to being a mess. My setting spray is drying. What I was saying was that I feel like in every single video my office is a hot mess, but you know, that's just reality. By the way, this is my new favorite lipstick at the moment. It's from Dior. It's like, I think it's a matte. It's a lipstick that gives the illusion of a liquid lipstick, but it's not. I don't know how to describe it, but it's just like really good. And then I've also recently got this Charlotte Tilbury lip liner in, what color is this? Foxy brown. I still need to do my hair, but as you guys know, the fall is here. So I'm going to be decorating around the apartment with the little fall decor that I have. I have to say that I've become not a minimalist, because I'm not. I have made this rule for myself living in an apartment that I won't be getting seasonal pieces, like crazy seasonal pieces. The only time that I do go crazy on is Christmas, just because it's my ultimate favorite holiday. But for fall and like Halloween pumpkin decor, I honestly just don't have the space to store that right now. So basically, I'm just going to be recycling what I used last year and then placing it around the apartment and making it as fall decor as possible. And I mean, I went to all of these stores recently and I honestly just didn't find anything that caught my attention that I like, oh my god, I need, you know? So I am going to be using the pieces that I have from last year, which were just like a couple pumpkins from Target, I believe. I also went to Trader Joe's and got some fresh flowers, as well as a Home Goods pumpkin shaped candle. I'm going to show you throughout the video basically how I decorate around the apartment. I'm also going to be launching new blankets for Nathalie, so I'm going to be decorating with that as well and just adding a little bit more color. I'm going to do touches of green, recycling some pillowcases that I had last year and my new velvet blanket that I cannot wait to show you guys. I actually was making that one yesterday, so I'm going to insert those clips right now for you guys.
Where is the line between dreaming and feeling blue? It's 4 o'clock in the evening. I haven't left my room. But the truth is...
Back to real time now. I'm going to quickly do my hair with the Dyson and basically show you guys how I do that, and then show you some pieces that I got from Lulu's that I personally think are staples for the fall time. So like I mentioned earlier, I ended up getting some items from Lulu's. This portion of the video is sponsored by Lulu's. You guys already know how much I love their items. And I got some amazing staples for the fall time, including these beautiful wedding guest dresses. You guys know that I love their wedding guest dresses. They have such an amazing selection, and they also have an entire wedding category, which is amazing. But these dresses are basically dresses that I would wear if I'm going to a fall wedding, or dresses that I would want my guests to wear if I would have a fall wedding. So I'm going to be sharing these on my TikTok, which I'll link down below for you guys. But honestly, all of these are stunning and you all need them. Now, what I really want to show you guys is this full head to toe outfit from Lulu's that I got perfect for the fall time. I got this stunning long sleeve blouse. It's like a peplum loose feel, very low V-cut. This right here is a leather skirt, but the detail is stunning. It's like a pleated detail. It's so flattering on. This material slash pattern is really popular right now. It's really popular during the summer, but I guess it moved on to the fall as well. And I also got a leather skirt, which in my opinion is a staple for the fall time. It has a nice little slit detail, and then these boots, which are also very in for the fall. They have an amazing shoe selection as well and beautiful boots to choose from, so highly recommend to check it out. They have some cowboy boots that I've really wanted, but I feel like here in New York I wouldn't wear it. But yeah, these are stunning. And then this is what it looks like from head to toe. I love me an all black everything kind of outfit, so this is very much up my alley. And I love the skirt with the slit and just like the detail of the blouse. I think this blouse in particular is going to be selling super quickly, so definitely check it out down below. I'm just obsessed. But yeah, that's pretty much my head to toe outfit from Lulu's. Definitely check out the wedding guest dresses that I uploaded to TikTok. I'll link it down below for you guys. And of course, I'll link this outfit. The lighting here is seriously the worst. Oh my god, I feel like I haven't shared my new favorite brush. Let me clean it because it does have some here. I shared it on my stories recently, so I got this in a PR package. You guys, I've never been in love with a hairbrush like I've been in love with this one. Maybe I've been living under a rock, but I've never heard of this hairbrush brand before. Mason Pearson. I know that apparently everyone knows about it and knows how good it is, but I was today years old when I found out about this brush. It came in a box, so I checked the back and find out that it's $240. I'm like, what in the world makes a brush $240? So I Google it, and apparently it has like a bunch of benefits for your hair. This one in particular has 4 different types of bristles, I think. So it detangles, smooths the hair, it helps stimulates the scalp, which basically helps with hair growth. And I've actually really have noticed, because I was losing a lot of hair, mainly stress, you know, when I took that break from YouTube. And my life lately, just being so busy, honestly has caused me a lot of stress. So I was losing a lot of hair, and I feel like this brush is the only thing I've changed, because I still use my Aveda hairline. But the hairbrush is the only thing that's like new. Anyways, if you have the money, I would 100% recommend it. I'm going to link it down below. I also found out that they sell it at Costco. I just don't know if it's the exact same one, because just make sure that it's this one that has the white and black bristles, because to me, that's what makes a difference. I let my hair air dry, and this is how it looks. So I'm going to quickly curl it with my Dyson. Super random, but this is where I have my Dyson. And you guys, when I tell you that this, in my opinion, is the best storage for it. Obviously the box that it comes in is also an amazing storage, but I use it quite often. So having it displayed here next to my bathroom, not next to my bathroom, inside of my bathroom, it works wonders. That's pretty much all I do when it comes to the Dyson. I honestly could like stay longer curling it, and I could also wrap my hair, but I don't, because I don't have time right now. So me in particular, I have to say the Dyson doesn't hold the curl, but my hair just doesn't hold any curl, no matter the curling one, no matter what I do to it. It does hold the curl really nicely if you do it properly. So if you take your time wrapping it and waiting for it, and then using the cooling button before you let it go, and then pinning it up and leaving it there for about 30 minutes, I feel like that's what truly helps hold the curl with the Dyson. But yes. Right, before I start decorating around the apartment, I have to clean a little bit and also make lunch. So I'm going to make ground chicken, mix it with a salad or something, but I know that you guys love my Nata Chef. This is not going to be a Nata Chef though, because I am going to be experimenting with the ground chicken. If I like how it tastes, I'll make another video and like in detail give you the recipe, but I'm just going to wing it and see how it comes out. Like I mentioned earlier, I went to Trader Joe's and got some flowers, so I'm going to make a nice little arrangement. But first things first, let's start cooking and cleaning this.
I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something.
Right, ground chicken is ready. I added some of these chips as well as lettuce and cucumber and my seltzer. Just finished eating. That was honestly such a delicious meal, and the chicken came out really good. I added like honey, sesame. It wasn't like a sesame chicken, but somewhat. Write the ingredients down below, but just know that I winged the measurements. You guys, I got these flowers like three weeks ago or something. I don't know, but they're still alive. I'm gonna throw these away though.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something.
All right, so this is seriously all I'm using to decorate around the apartment. I'm adding pops of orange with the flowers, and then green, of course, and then mainly just like neutrals and green. All of these pumpkins are from Target. The bats are from Amazon. This is from Home Goods. And this is also from Home Goods, so yeah. And then back here we have a sneak peek of one of our new blankets. These are velvet and weighted blankets, which I am so excited for. So that's why I went for the green, so that it could go with the blanket. But I'm not going to clean the living room. I need to vacuum. I want to remove this candle, which by the way, absolutely love, is from Target, and then also clear this out so that I can decorate around it. I still have these Christmas bowls, which I love, and clearly I need to dust. That's disgusting. Oh, and the pillowcases, I am going to be changing these for another tone of green, the one that I had for my apartment tour video. So yes, let's revamp this situation.
Or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry. 'Cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why.
Just finished decorating the living room, and I think I really like it. I ended up adding these pillows that I had last year and basically mixing them with the green just to add a little bit more of a pop of pumpkin, you know? The cozy blanket, I feel like it's not coming out true to color, it's coming out darker. The orange brown pillows are from IKEA. The one in the back, the white one, is from Target. And then this velvet one is from Amazon. How cute does my coffee table look? Honestly, I think the best way to add fall decor, if you don't want something permanent, is bringing in like real elements. So for example, the flowers, I want to buy some real pumpkins as well and just like, you know, hang them around the living room, maybe around there, so that I can move this pumpkin maybe over here. But yeah, I just really love the vibe that it gives. And then down here, I just added 2 pumpkins. But yeah, I'm just so in love with how it came out. But yeah, I'm going to end today's vlog here. As you can tell, I removed my makeup. I'm already getting cozied up for the night. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Lulu's and my fall outfit, as well as my TikTok sharing those wedding guest dresses. All the links will be in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed it and see you next time. Bye!